Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting real about prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your laptop and the target display are on the same network, or plug an HDMI cable for a direct link. This reduces latency. Once done, open the operating system's casting or screen share control and enable device discovery. This allows the receiving unit to appear. You should also quit resource hogs and verify browser or driver updates, so the stream will be stable and responsive. Now continue by making the actual connection and fine-tuning settings. From the system tray or browser cast icon, pick the display you want to use. Once connected, choose whether to share the entire screen, a specific window, or only a browser tab. Each has trade-offs for performance and privacy. Then set the resolution and audio output so video and sound match. If available, prefer native resolution and 16:9 aspect ratio to avoid stretching. Finally, confirm permissions to allow microphone or clipboard access when needed. To finish, verify playback and confirm audio sync. Use the casting control to stop or switch sources when you're done. If something goes wrong, first try a simple fix. Reduce the shared resolution, close other network apps, and, if possible, use an Ethernet or HDMI connection. These steps often eliminate lag. If casting still fails, restart the casting service or devices, and check firewall rules and driver updates to restore discovery and streaming functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.